I got into Mercury Marine and high pressure die cast 10 years ago. I was working on my bachelor's degree, got into the world of manufacturing, decided not to pursue what I was working on for my bachelor's and continued to progress with manufacturing. I thought manufacturing was very interesting. I applied here at Mercury because I knew someone that thought I'd be a good fit for the role. Him and I knew each other through the hockey world. When you're in leadership roles, you need to be able to interact with different people, coach them, and then get the best out of them that you can. Things that we're able to do here on this campus are pretty amazing, and we do a lot in a very small area. The opportunities we have here at Mercury are pretty endless. So I started off here in high pressure die cast. I spent a few years learning about die cast, seeing all the different robots that we had and the different technologies that we use. I was in assembly operations as a supervisor. I was a supervisor in remanufacturing. I was a supervisor in our stainless steel foundry in Plant 98. And then I recently came back over here to Plant 17. We have a big, broad variety of different jobs that you can do, and that's pretty interesting. I think the future, what's exciting about it is just how much we've developed in technology and how many different technology advancements we have. So it's really cool to see how far we can take that. Don't close any door to any opportunity. You never know what could be out there for you. Just because you think you want to do one thing in life doesn't mean it's always going to be that thing. So be open-minded to try new things and try new experiences.